Hey y'all, it's Hadassah back with another video. If you're new here, welcome to HP Life and Style. I make videos related to luxury, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if you're interested in that type of content, which you are because you clicked on this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified every time I post. And if you're not new here, hey girl, welcome back. I'm hoping this is redundant for you and you have already seen this bag, but just in case, if you have not yet followed me over on Instagram, same name as here, HP Life and Style. I actually revealed this over on Instagram. It's been at least a month, y'all. So make sure you're following me over on Instagram. Long story short, make sure you're following me over on Instagram because Instagram gets stuff first. Sometimes, a lot of times they get stuff first. But anyway, today I'm going to be showing you my UGG Telfar bag. So this was a collaboration between UGG and Telfar. And honestly, you guys have to feel this bag. It feels amazing in person. And this is what it looks like up close. Just giving you the full view. So yeah, I absolutely love this bag. I wasn't the biggest fan of Telfar in the beginning, but I did get a pink one. Color is Azalea, I think, that I revealed a couple of months ago, and I just got it for the color because the color was amazing. And then they came out with this collaboration, and it was another I have to have it type of thing. So I actually missed this when they were doing like a pre-order on Saks, and I missed ordering it at that time, but I was able to find it through a personal shopper over on Instagram. So if you're not able to find things sometimes, I don't know if y'all follow like personal shopper pages, but follow some personal shoppers because they're usually able to find things. And also they recently released this collection again. So you had the opportunity to actually order it from the Telfar website. And there are some other colorways. I think they have a black in this same bag. And then they have like the whole boots. There's a bucket hat, like it's a whole collection. But anyway, this is the size medium, as you can see, and it's the same size as like the regular medium. So no difference there. But this is definitely a seasonal bag. You know, you don't want to be carrying this in the summertime, but yeah, it works so well for winter, fall and winter outfits. But yeah, I just want super quick reveal of this bag to y'all. If you're thinking about getting it, highly recommend it. I probably won't leave any links down below because I don't know where you can get it right now, because y'all know how Telfar works. It's a drop and then it's gone. But if I am able to find anything, I will leave a link down below. And also, if you need recommendations for personal shoppers to follow on Instagram, definitely go follow me over on Instagram and then shoot me a DM and I can send you some of the pages that I follow for deals. As always, thank y'all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.